What's up guys, I am Aiden and today is my brother's birthday and here is my friends and let's go. Yes, we are gonna cut the cake and let's go see the cake. Do you see this? This is so the football cake and here is my brother. Let's go. And there is with this the fire. And let's go cut this cake. Let's go. He's doing it. Let's go. Are you crazy? Guys, I got a piece. Let's go. And guys, the party is over and peace.